how to open or create phantom wallet account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can open or create a phantom wallet account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to open or create the phantom wallet account, first of all download the Phantom app from your Play Store. And this is the kind of interface that you will actually see, so let the application to first of all load up. Now here it will ask you to import an existing wallet or create a new wallet, so just select create a new wallet option. You can choose to turn on device authentication if you want to by simply entering your biometric details, then tap on next. Now this is actually your secret recovery phrase. Now I'm not really using this account, that's why it is public right here, but if you want to use it you should not lose this secret phrase. You want to make sure to actually write them anywhere else, because this is like your password to gain access to your account next time. So once you've saved it somewhere, you want to make sure to go ahead and do that, then tap on the okay, I saved it somewhere, then tap on next option. And once you lose it, it's over for you. You won't be able to restore it, so you want to make sure that's not the case. And once done, you can simply go ahead and then finish opening up your Phantom wallet account. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically open a creative Phantom wallet account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.